So guys, let's take a look at what you are going to be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, guys. Make sure you like and share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to a Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see what EURJPY is actually going to be giving us for the day. So now let's start with the trend. Remember, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. Remember, know your trend first, then you trade with the trend. Now, if you take a look at this here, EURJPY, it is very clear that EURJPY is in an uptrend move. You can clearly see that market is what trending to the upside. This is our overall movement. The overall movement on EURJPY is to the upside, right? Now, guys, take a look and pay attention to this movement. Market push up to form the high and it pull back to form the higher low, right? Market eventually push up again, rallied up to form a new higher high. So within this level, market give a series of higher high and higher low. Here is a pullback, which is your higher low right now. So with this higher low, we will be expecting market to push up, which is currently doing that. We will expect it to continue that push up till it is able to take out this side. So if you can go in for the buy, hold your buy position till it comes here, you'll be grabbing between 380 pips. So guys, this is about 380 pips. Right, bullish, you will most likely going to make on your EURJPY. So you will only make this pip if you can go in for the buy. So I would advise that if you are this, I would advise that this should be for swing traders. Day traders, you can go in for the buy. Swing traders going for the buy and hold your buy position for the next 7 to 9 days. You will see that you would have grabbed a lot of pips on this moment. Above all, a bullish move is what you should be expecting on our EURJPY. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.